Hello everyone, welcome to Local TV. This is Vanessa. Today I'm very happy to introduce our guest, Russell.
Hello everyone, my name is Russell. Today I'm very happy to introduce you a new member of Galaxy Prize together with Vanessa through Local TV.
Yes, Russell is here today for our new machine launch, GS803. Russell, I know GS802 is one of our popular molding or heat press range. So why we are going to release this new hobby press when we already have GS802?
Okay, Vanessa. So before introducing GS803, I would like to talk about GS802 first. So GS802 is an A4 side heat press for hobby market for home use. Because of the lightweight desktop design and the stable performance, so GS802 becomes one of our most popular heat press since developed. In the meanwhile, we can see that the hobby press market is growing fast since last year, and we do have customers keep asking for a heat press with A3 size. So that's the reason we develop GS803 heat press with A3 side heat platen, and we believe that this machine can help customers have another good choice for heat press market besides 9 by 12 inches and 11 by 15 inches heat press for hobby press market.
I see, that makes sense. I can't wait to know more details about this new machine. Firstly, I'm curious about the gross weight of hobby press. As I know, for GS802, the gross weight is only about 40 kilograms. So how about the gross weight for this new machine?
Okay, so GS803 is with A3 size heat platen. So for GS803, the weight will be more heavier than GS802. The gross weight of GS803 is 30 kilograms.
Oh, I see. I also noticed that for this GS802, the heat platen is horizontally located, while the heat platen on this GS803 is vertically located.
Yes.
Is there any reason for this change?
Okay, Vanessa, it's a very good question. Actually, customer may also notice that we locate heat platen and the lower platen of GS803 in horizontal position instead of vertical position. So this design can help customer print t-shirt more easily. In the meanwhile, GS803 is with laser cut bottom design, make the lower platen threadable, which can help customer locate different garments more conveniently.
Oh, I see. So this machine has drawer and dressable style lower platen.
Yes.
So it can help the customer who want to do t-shirt printing and garment printing.
Yes.
It also reminds me of the changeable lower platen on our GS105S.
Yes.
That means this machine also has same function?
Yes, the RAM lock quick change system is our patent design and welcomed by many customers since developed. GS803 is also added with this patent system. So by our RAM lock quick change system, customer can change different sizes lower platen very quickly and easily.
Oh, that's a very good function. I know there are some customers buy this machine and they may wonder if this machine can be used to print a product that is smaller than A3 size.
Yes.
And with such function, this machine can do logo printing and
Yes.
help them improve the working efficiency.
Yes.
Russell, I also see there is an electromagnet on this machine. Does that
Sure.
mean this machine can achieve semi-auto open function?
Yes, Vanessa, it's a very good observation. GS803 is with auto-open function for sure, but not only with auto-open function. GS803 is added with our latest patent design RAM spin system, which has already been used on our heat press machine GS105HS. So by this function, customer can switch between auto open control mode and the manual open control mode very easily in one machine. So this system can help customer choose different control mode according to different products printing.
Wow, that's a cool function. I guess our customers can't wait to know the performance of this machine.
Yes.
Let's do the printing demo.
Okay.
The first printing demo is on the burlap tray. We need to set the machine at 250 degrees Celsius and 45 seconds. To print these products, we need to set the machine on manual mode because it requires a heavy pressure. Slide down the lower platen, locate the burlap tray, put down the Teflon sheet, and then start the printing. The second printing demo is on the sequin case lunch bag. The temperature should be set at 180 degrees Celsius, and the time should be 60 seconds. This time we will use semi-auto open mode, and medium pressure is enough. And then we need to change the lower platen into a smaller size with a ram lock quick change system. Locate the lunch bag on the lower platen. And then start printing. Thank you, Russell. In your detailed introduction and the printing demo today, we understand that GS803 is an advanced hobby press but in A3 size. This machine has many user-friendly features. With the RAM spin system, this machine can change from semi-auto open and manual modes. With the dressable and drawer-style lower platen, this machine can help the customer who want to do t-shirt printing and garment printing. With the RAM lock quick change system, the lower platen of this machine can be changed into other sizes and shapes.
Thank you, Vanessa, for a detailed summary. So today, I'm also very excited to introduce our customer our latest heat press, GS803. So compared with GS802, GS803 is not only with bigger A3 size heat platen, but also with more useful function. I believe this machine can offer customer a different good choice and help customer win more business.
Yes. If you are interested in this machine, please don't hesitate to contact our sales team. We will provide you more information. Thank you for your time, and that's all for today's new machine lunch. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Bye bye.